Hi there. How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Mickey?
Yeah, I'm Mickey.
I'm
See,
Venus.
Mickey.
Nice to meet
Yes.
you.
Hi, how are you? Good.
This is Dan.
Hi. Sorry about your loss.
Oh, thank you.
Where is it?
We're headed this way.
Okay, I'll go after you, okay? Thank you.
You're the culprit.
It's okay. Thank you. Just 1 second. Okay, so he never left the combination, your husband?
Just the last 10 years, he'd been the one opening it.
And he never left. He never gave you a paper or something like that for the
No,
combination.
and I thought I had it on one of the computers,
And
and I just couldn't find it.
couldn't find it.
And we were in a hurry to come down here because we have the movers are coming tomorrow.
Okay, where you guys
and-
live?
Yeah, we are leaving.
We're in North Carolina.
Ah, you live in North Carolina now. Okay. So the safe is it's not empty. There's stuff in it, right?
It's not got a lot of stuff.
Okay. Okay.
Um,
Let's go ahead and open it. Okay.
I don't.
Okay, it's open.
It's open.
Now the question is, what I think is in here. In here. Okay. One good thing. Thank you. Yeah.
Sure, you're welcome.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for nothing, that's
Yes, exactly.
It's a special silverware.
It's not. It was just. Actually, one bag was a little bit